Hello everyone, my name is Faris and today I will be teaching you how to duplicate your DSGT bootcamp projects into your personal workspace in Deepnote. So Deepnote is this new kind of data notebook that we will be using throughout the range of this bootcamp that has a wide array of tools that we want you to learn how to use, including AWS integration and terminal commands. So as you can see here, this is what you see in your personal workspace once you log in into your account on deepnote.com. And by right, you should have received an email or an invitation from DSGT to join our workspace in our bootcamp. So all you have to do is click on the accept invite button to accept the invitation, and now you will have the access to all of the projects in this bootcamp. And now we want to copy paste or duplicate each of these projects in each week into your personal workspace. So what you have to do is that you click on each project and you click on this little menu icon, click on duplicate project, select personal workspace and click duplicate. Once that's done, you will arrive into your personal workspace and you will see that single workspace or project being duplicated. And now what you will want to do is you want to move it into a new folder, call it week 1 intro to Python, and you can just copy paste the actual names of the folders inside the DSGT workspace. And now you just have to move your projects into the appropriate folders and rename it to remove the duplicate name, rename and repeat for the rest of the projects. So for week 2, you duplicate, personal workspace, duplicate, add a new folder, move and rename appropriately. And yes, that is it for duplicating. Just make sure you are renaming it to the appropriate names. And yeah, I wish you all good luck in your bootcamp.